there, welcome back. What we're going to do in this video is look at another example of an antiderivative that needs to be found using U-substitution. So looking at this antiderivative, we have 2 plus the natural log of x quantity raised to the third divided by x, and this is what we're trying to find the antiderivative of. So our convention for U-substitution is we let U equal the quantity that's being raised to the power of the function that's within the function. So you have 2 plus the natural log of x. Oh, and that's it. So then the differential is 0 plus 1 over x dx. Now, it might not be apparent right away that that is in the integral, so I'm going to rewrite this integral another way. I'm going to write 2 plus natural log of x raised to the third times 1 over x dx. And now it's very clear where everything belongs. This right here is going to be du, and this right here is going to be u to the third. So that means our integral successfully converts to an integral with only u as the variable. So we have u to the third du, and now the power rule can be used. So this means this is 1/4 u to the fourth plus c. And then back substituting, because again, we want our answer to be in terms of the original variable, which is 1/4 2 plus natural log x to the fourth plus c. And that is our antiderivative. Remember to check an antiderivative answer. You can find its derivative, and as long as you do everything correctly, you will end up with the integrand. So there's our antiderivative, 1/4, quantity 2 plus natural log x raised to the fourth, plus an arbitrary constant.